Treat all garage and crawl space entry points as priority pathways and treat them consistently with the Pesty Smart Pest Plan. Start by conducting a systematic inspection of the perimeter, looking for gaps around doors, windows, vents, utility penetrations, and foundation cracks, and record each location. Apply the perimeter spray to the full outside foundation band at a low pressure to create a residual barrier, concentrating on entry clusters rather than isolated spots. For door thresholds and garage door seals, treat both sides where possible and work the product into gaps up to 1/4 inch using a targeted nozzle to ensure contact with harborage sites. For vents and window wells, use a coarse spray or targeted wand from a safe distance so the material reaches crevices but does not oversaturate screens or drain channels. If access is limited, use a dust formulation labeled for voids and follow label directions. In crawl spaces, wear protective equipment, lightly treat sills, rim joists, and pipe penetrations, and avoid spraying insulation directly. Spot treat around foundation to framing junctions where insects commonly traverse. Finish with a follow-up inspection schedule and teach homeowners how to check seals, maintain vegetation clearance, and report any new pest sightings so treatments can be adjusted sooner rather than later. Common mistakes are missing intermittent entry points like rarely used service doors, leaving window wells untreated, and over-applying product in enclosed voids, which can reduce effectiveness. If service doors are overlooked, we recommend a checklist approach during every visit and treat those doors first to stop repeated re-entry. For window wells, inspect for accumulation of debris and treat the wall and edges rather than only the grate so pests cannot bypass the barrier. If someone over-applies in voids, switch to labeled dusts for confined spaces or reduce liquid volume and spot treat to maintain proper residual without wasting material. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors who work on pest exclusion, garage weatherization, and crawl space repairs, and we connect contractors with project leads in their area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches so we can all learn from one another.